Back in the workshop and we're joined with this lovely FK8. Let's see what we've got installed. Our customer's brought his FK8 into us today for a brake upgrade. We're going to be using EBC BlueStuff front and rear kit along with Dream braided brake lines and Honda fluid. Let's have a look, see what's inside the boxes. So brake pad wise, we're using the BlueStuff pads. These are going to be a bit of a fast road pad and occasional track day use. We're quite familiar with them, but obviously it'll take the customer a little while to get used to how the pads actually react to the car. It'll take a little while to bed in as well. So with everything unboxed, we can have a good look over to see what we've got to install today. And starting off with the EBC pads. These are the BlueStuff pads, so it's quite a track-derived pad. It takes a little bit of heat to get into the pad and get them really biting well, but when they do, they bite phenomenally. So we're looking forward to getting these put onto the car. Starting on the rear discs, so it's a one-piece disc, but it has got the grooves. The grooves will then scrape the edge of the pad, keeping a clean bite surface on the pad when combined with the disc itself. On the front, we've got a two-piece setup now. So the two-piece, the theory of that is to allow a lighter unsprung weight, so the suspension is going to react that little bit quicker. You won't get as much heat dissipation through the disc back into the caliper. And obviously with the grooves as well, that's going to again scrape the pad, keeping a clean biting surface. You'll also notice on these discs as well, they have quite large holes for the air to be pushed out and again, keeping the disc nice and cool. Once that's all on the car, we'll be putting in the Dream brake lines onto the car, which again allow for a good pedal feel, good bite, and then again just using Honda fluid. So that's all the parts we're going to be fitting today. So we get the car up in the air, start getting the brakes stripped off and get this lot fitted up. all complete and the brakes are now fitted to the car, ready to hand back to the customer. But as the Civics are starting to get older, FK8s and FK2s, they're starting to suffer from some of the wear and tear items, so discs and pads are very, very common now. Obviously this EBC setup is a very good alternative to what would just be OEM replacements. So if you're interested in any of the products that we've just fitted today, feel free to leave us a comment below, and if you haven't already, hit the like, share and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video.